Have you ever wondered how we know what ancient landscapes looked like, or what plants grew thousands of years ago, long before written records or photographs existed? Pollen analysis, also known as palynology, is absolutely crucial for environmental history because it provides a direct, highly detailed record of past vegetation. This helps us understand ancient climates, ecological changes, and the profound impacts humans have had on landscapes over millennia. The core mechanism behind this incredible insight lies in the unique properties of pollen grains themselves. These microscopic structures, produced by plants for reproduction, are incredibly durable thanks to their tough outer shell, called the exon. This exon is often species-specific, meaning trained palynologists can identify the exact plant that produced a pollen grain just by looking at its shape, size, and surface patterns under a microscope. When plants releases pollen into the air or water, it eventually settles and becomes preserved in sediments like peat bogs, lake beds, or even archaeological soil layers, creating a continuous environmental archive. To utilize this archive, scientists collect sediment cores from these sites. They then carefully process the core samples using chemical treatments to remove unwanted material, leaving behind the concentrated pollen grains. These grains are then mounted on slides and identified, counted, and recorded. By examining the types and relative abundances of different pollen grains found at various depths, which correspond to different time periods, researchers can reconstruct past vegetation communities. For instance, a sudden increase in grass pollen and a decrease in tree pollen might indicate deforestation, while shifts in tree species can signal climate change or human cultivation. A fascinating detail is the concept of pollen rain. This refers to the continuous, natural deposition of pollen from all surrounding plants onto a landscape. Even a small soil sample can yield tens of thousands of pollen grains, providing a comprehensive snapshot of the local and regional flora at a particular time. This broad coverage means that pollen analysis can reveal not just dominant species, but also subtle changes in undergrowth or the introduction of agricultural crops like cereals, offering nuanced insights into human land use. Ultimately, pollen analysis serves as a powerful time machine, allowing us to accurately reconstruct past ecosystems, track the spread of agriculture, identify periods of climate warming or cooling, and understand how human societies adapted to and reshaped their natural surroundings. This long-term perspective is indispensable for understanding our current environmental challenges and for informing future ecological management strategies.